Hello investors. Today I'm here to talk about how Indian IT stocks have performed in Q1 of FY27 and also discuss who's really making money from AI. The Indian IT sector has entered a new phase. For almost 2 years, the industry struggled with delayed decision making, cautious clients, shrinking discretionary spending, and weak demand from North America. But this quarter, the narrative has finally started changing. Deal pipelines are improving, clients are beginning to spend again, and most importantly, AI is no longer just about experimentation. In fact, it's beginning to contribute to the actual business of the IT companies. But here's the interesting part. While almost every IT company talks about AI, only a handful are actually showing meaningful commercial success. The Indian IT industry has been going through one of the toughest phases for the last few years. High interest rate in the US and Europe forced companies to cut discretionary technology spending, projects involving digital transformations were postponed, hiring slowed, and employee attrition normalized. Revenue growth across the industry reached multi-year lows, but the Q1 FY27 results suggest that the condition is finally improving. And the biggest positive for most of the companies came from stronger deal wins. Companies across the industry reported healthy large deal pipelines, indicating that clients are once again committing to long-term technology investments. Another encouraging trend is in the banking, financial services, and insurance segment, which continues to grow resilient. And this is especially important because BFSI contributes around 1/3 of revenue for most of the Indian IT companies. Manufacturing, healthcare, and telecom also showed signs of recovery. However, retail and consumer spending remained weak due to the global uncertainties. Most of the company's margins have largely remained stable despite continued investment in generative AI, cloud capabilities, and employee training. Now let me walk you through how each of the companies have performed. Starting with India's largest IT company, Tata Technology Services. The company delivered another steady quarter in Q1 of FY27. What stood out the most for the company is how aggressively TCS is positioning itself for the AI era. The company reported a revenue of 72,275 crore, which saw a growth of 14% year-on-year, while constant currency revenue grew by 3.2% year-on-year. Their operating margin came in at 24%, and TCS maintained its industry-leading profitability despite continued investment in AI capabilities and talent. Their quarterly net profit came in at 13,420 crores. Their order book remained robust at $9.5 billion, indicating strong demand from enterprise clients. The overall demand was primarily driven by BFSI, which contributed to over 32% of revenue, along with steady growth in technology services, energy, and regional markets. But the biggest story for TCS this quarter was AI. Instead of talking about AI as a future opportunity, TCS is building the infrastructure to commercialize it at scale. During the quarter, the company partnered with Google Cloud to launch its third Gemini Experience Center in India and 8th globally, focused on helping consumer businesses adopt agentic AI solutions. Further, TCS is planning to expand this network to 10 Gemini Experience Centers worldwide by the end of 2026, underscoring its ambition to become the world's leading AI-enabled technology services company. They also revealed that they are planning to build over 3,000 industry and context-aware AI agents using Google's Gemini model. Rather than selling isolated AI solutions, it is embedding AI into larger cloud, digital transformation, and consulting engagements. Combined with strong client relationships, healthy deal pipeline, and growing AI ecosystem, TCS remains one of the best positioned companies to benefit as enterprise AI spending accelerates globally. If you want exposure to such futuristic AI stocks, we have got you covered. Check out our curated list of small cases. All you have to do is visit tradebrainsportal.smallcase.com or visit the link in description. Select the small case TBAI and Data Center Dominators theme and click on subscribe now. Enter your email, select your plan, add your PAN and phone number to the billing information and continue. Following that, you will receive an OTP on your number, input that, make the payment, and you're good to go. In just a few simple steps, you get access to a model portfolio of stocks combining the stability of well-established players with the growth potential of specialized service providers. Now coming back to the list, The next stock is HCL Technologies Limited. The company delivered another steady quarter, reporting a revenue of 34,579 crore, up 14% year-on-year, while their net profits grew by 20.3% year-on-year to 4,624 crores. HCL reported a record quarterly bookings of $2.4 billion, reflecting healthy enterprise demand. What truly differentiated HCL Tech this quarter was their advanced AI business. The company's advanced AI revenue reached $171 million in Q1 of FY27, registering an impressive 11% growth quarter-on-quarter and 62% growth year-on-year. This makes HCL Tech one of the few Indian IT companies providing investors with a measurable view of AI monetization. The company also recorded their highest ever Q1 net new bookings of $2.4 billion, with enterprise increasingly choosing HCL Tech to lead their AI-led transformation journeys. According to the management of the company, strong AI demand coupled with improving operational efficiencies positions the company to continue outperforming the broader IT industry over the medium term. Financial services remain their largest vertical, while manufacturing, technology and services, retail and public services also delivered healthy growth. The management of the company remains optimistic and have given an FY27 constant currency revenue growth guidance of 1 to 4% for the company and 1.5 to 4.5% for its service business, while expecting EBIT margins between 17.5 to 18.5%. The company also continues to invest aggressively in AI capabilities, embedding AI across its service portfolios while simultaneously upskilling employees in emerging technologies. Next on the list is Wipro Limited. Wipro's Q1 FY27 results reflected that the company is finally stabilizing after several challenging quarters. In Q1 FY27, their revenue stood at 24,479 crores, growing 10% year-on-year. Their operating margins came in at 16%, while their net profit came in at 3,356 crores. Despite softer revenues, Wipro generated a strong operating cash flow of $348 million, equivalent to 98% of income, highlighting healthy cash generation. The biggest positive for the company during this quarter was their improving deal wins. Their total bookings stood at $3.4 billion, while large deal bookings jumped 13% quarter-on-quarter to $1.63 billion, driven by 13 large deals signed during the quarter. And AI remained the central theme across almost every major deal announced by Wipro. The company highlighted that the customers are increasingly moving beyond traditional technology modernization towards AI-enabled operating models that improve productivity, resilience, and operational efficiency. During the quarter, Wipro secured a multi-year engagement with global chemicals company to modernize IT operations using digital agents, AI ops, and generative AI through its Wipro Intelligence platform. Looking ahead, the management expects the IT service revenue for Q2 FY27 to be between $2.5 to $2.6 billion, implying sequential constant currency growth of negative 1.5% to 0.5%. While the near-term outlook remains cautious, Wipro believes continued investment in AI capabilities and strategic priorities will strengthen its competitive position and support future growth, even if these investments create some short-term margin volatility. The next stock is Tech Mahindra Limited. The company delivered one of its strongest quarters in Q1 of FY27 with growth across margins, profitability, and revenue. More importantly, the company demonstrated that its turnaround strategy is increasingly being powered by AI-led transformation rather than traditional IT outsourcing. During the quarter, they reported a revenue of 15,712 crores, registering an impressive 18% growth year-on-year. Their net profits increased by 28% year-on-year to 1,465 crore, reflecting improving operational efficiency across the business. Another major highlight was the company's robust deal pipeline. Their total deal wins reached $1.08 billion during the quarter, supported by large contracts across payments, healthcare, aerospace, and enterprise modernization. AI is now becoming a cornerstone in Tech Mahindra's growth strategy, and this is through its enterprise-wide transformation program, Helix AI Delivered Right. Rather than positioning AI as a standalone offering, the company is embedding AI across every aspect of its business, from software development and IT operations to consulting, engineering, and managed services. To further strengthen their AI ecosystem, Tech Mahindra expanded partnerships with leading technology companies including Microsoft, Google Cloud, Cisco, UKG, and StackGen. They also launched agentic development and modernization services, established an AI-led communications experience center in Pune, and earned industry recognition such as Google Cloud Partner of the Year 2026, reinforcing its growing credibility in enterprise AI. The next stock is LTIMindtree. They delivered another steady quarter in Q1 of FY27, combining healthy financial performance with an aggressive push into enterprise AI. Beyond earnings, the company announced multiple strategic partnerships and large-scale AI deployments that reinforce its ambition to become an AI-first technology services company. In the quarter, they reported a revenue of 11,608 crores, which is up 18% year-on-year and 2.8% quarter-on-quarter, while their net profit increased 17% year-on-year to 1,466 crore. One of the biggest strategic development for the company during the quarter was their partnership with Anthropic, and this was aimed at accelerating enterprise adoption of Claude AI. Under this collaboration, the company will integrate Claude Code, and Claude Cover into its proprietary Blueverse AI delivery fabric, enabling enterprises to modernize applications, automate software engineering, and deploy AI agents at scale. Beyond AI, the company also announced a strategic move to expand their European presence by signing a put option deed to acquire Randstad Digital's operations at an enterprise valuation of 160 million euros subject to regulatory approvals. This acquisition is expected to strengthen the company's digital engineering and consulting capabilities across key international markets. So to sum it up, most of the Indian companies are not reporting AI as a separate revenue line. Instead, AI is increasingly embedded within larger cloud, digital transformation, cybersecurity, and consulting contracts. But with these results and updates coming in, it seems like the worst for the Indian IT industry is behind us. Global technology spending is finally improving, deal pipelines are strengthening, enterprise AI adoption is accelerating, and after years of experimentation, AI is finally starting to generate measurable business outcomes. The next few quarters will determine whether AI will become the next growth engine for the Indian IT companies since the cloud computing boom. In this video, I discussed only a few IT companies which have delivered their results so far. So which Indian IT stock do you think is the best position for AI era? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you.